Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Whether you are new to data analytics, a student, marketer, or small business owner, it can be challenging to turn your finding into a compelling data story, especially if you lack design skills. But here's the good news: with AI-powered user-friendly tools like Canva, it makes it much easier to visualize our data story than ever before. In this video, I will show you how to create simple yet powerful visualization using Canva's charts and graphs. And also I will show you how to build an interactive storyboard without any coding skills. Alright, so as you can see, I'm here in the Canva homepage. So if you have an account, just log in and then you will be landing here. If you don't have an account, then I recommend you create one before you start working with Canva. Right, so the first thing that we can do is that let's say you work with Google Sheets or Excel, and in that case you go to Sheet. So once you are in the Canva Sheets, you simply can import a Excel or Sheet file from your computer. If you like, just click here, upload files, or you can create a new design by yourself if you want to input your data here in the sheets. So just to show you, I'm just gonna copy and paste some data that I have here. And then I'm just simply gonna paste it here. Right, so now that we have got our data here, I'm gonna select it, and then here it says magic charts. Click on that. That's gonna suggest us which will be the most appropriate. Here it says line, but you can go with others, whatever you think is good. You also can click here to see more options that you have. Okay, let's say we go with bar charts. As we click on that, we get it here. We can make it bigger if you like, and then of course you can change the color, whatever that you like. I'm not going into the details because you simply can adjust as you want it, and once you are happy with your visualization, you can go here you can go here to the share, and then you can download. You also can take it to anywhere else by copying and pasting. Okay, so that's a simple way to do it. Now I'm going back to Canva homepage, and then I will go with Canva AI to show you how we can create an interactive dashboard, which will give us more perspective of the design, because here, well, it gives a basic visualization, but when it comes to visualize the data, of course you will have a summary in your mind, and that's need to be identified, and then you can write it as a prompt here. Okay, so let's write this prompt. Okay, so now we are gonna copy and paste our data set, and now we just submit our query. As you can see, now it's writing the codes for us, and it can take some time depending on the prompts that we write. Like I said, this is just an example. You can take time to finalize the prompt or the inquiry that you will be needing, whether you do manual coding or you use AI to create a dashboard for you. It's important to identify what that we are looking for in order to get the best output using AI or any other tools. Alright, so you see how quickly we got an amazing dashboard, and that is quite interactive. We can basically have an idea now compared to here what it is, like total sales, total order, new customers, returns rate. We also can check the trends by going separately with the cell trends and order and everything, and that's quite amazing. So if you need to use the code, let's say you want to play with the codes or you want to adjust them accordingly, you can click here show codes and you can copy the code and you can use them later somewhere else. You also can use this in design, that will take you to the Canva design dashboard. You can change the color, size, and everything else. So friends, this is how you can visualize your data in Canva. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.